Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're exploring one of the most important topics in the digital world, your online security and privacy. With cyber risks growing every day, having the right protection isn't optional anymore. It's essential. While many VPN apps claim to offer the best, very few actually deliver. That's where Dark Tunnel VPN really shines. It gives you advanced customization along with strong security to keep your browsing private and worry-free. In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step on how to download and set up a slow DNS config on Dark Tunnel VPN, so you can enjoy a safer and more private online experience. And before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who care about digital privacy. Let's get started. First, we'll need the slow DNS config file. To grab it, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP and slow DNS files and hit enter. From the results, head over to the official UDP and slow DNS files website. Once you're there, tap the menu button, the three horizontal lines, at the top left of the screen. From the options, choose Slow DNS Config. A small pop-up window will appear. From there, select Dark Tunnel Slow DNS. After that, you'll see a short 10-second countdown. Once it finishes, tap the download button. On the next page, pick the latest Dark Tunnel config file and press Download again. The file will be saved directly to your device within a few seconds. Now that we have the config file, it's time to install the Dark Tunnel VPN app. Open the Google Play Store, type Dark Tunnel VPN in the search bar, and tap Search. From the results, select the app and hit Install. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to set everything up. Next, let's import the slow DNS config into Dark Tunnel VPN. Open the app and tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Config and then tap Import. A file browser will open. Use it to locate the slow DNS config file you just downloaded. Once you find it, tap the file, and Dark Tunnel VPN will automatically import the settings. And that's it. You're done. Your Dark Tunnel VPN is now configured with the slow DNS setup, giving you a secure and private browsing experience. Congratulations! You've successfully installed, configured, and secured your internet connection with Dark Tunnel VPN. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more guides, and share this video with anyone who wants to protect their online privacy. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.